There are some free and amazing remedies that can help prevent illnesses, such as exercise is a medicine, a morning walk is a medicine, fasting is a medicine, eating with family is a medicine, laughter is a medicine, deep sleep is a medicine, spending time with loved ones is a medicine, being happy is a medicine. Silence can be a medicine in certain situations. Helping others is a medicine. Your good and sincere friends are a store of remedies. And most importantly, prayer is the remedy for 100 others. Serving your parents is also a medicine. Giving charity is also a medicine. Try them and see. Share useful information with your loved ones. May Allah grant us the ability to act upon this. Amin, O Lord of the worlds.